Have you ever wanted to split the storage of your hard drive? Or is this not the first time you had trouble keeping your files in organized separate spaces? Either way, you might want to consider my tip in this video on how to split the volume of your USB or any other drive so that your life gets easier. Go to the search bar and search for Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. First, you must reduce the storage from a different drive and make free space. To do this, go to File Explorer and right-click on the drive you want to shrink and go to Properties to find the total free space. Then go back to Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions and right-click on the drive you want to shrink and click Shrink Volume. In the box saying Enter the volume to shrink, enter an equal or lesser number of the space available on the disk as we saw earlier. If you have a specific storage in gigabytes, simply multiply it by 1024 in a calculator. Then we will have a black box with the storage which we unallocated, which we will right-click on again and select New Simple Volume. Click Next twice and on the third page change the drive letter if you like. Finally, change the volume label to the name you want your drive to have. And that's it, you created your own drive.